Iron Man is no longer just a comic book and a movie superhero, and he lives in Kitchener, Ontario.
James Hobson
created just the device to help with the task. An exoskeleton so unique, you have to see it to believe it.
The making of this device was documented and posted to YouTube just last week. As of right now, more than 970,000 people have watched it, so it could hit 1 million by tonight.
Oh, that is heavy. Hey guys, can you believe we've hit 9 million subscribers? It's incredible. I started out my YouTube journey when I was 16, back in 2006, shortly after the platform was created. Back then, it was just a way for me to share videos I made with my friends, mostly about parkour and free running. As I grew up, my interests changed, and I became fascinated with technology and engineering. I learned how to do things by watching videos documenting projects that others had done, and started making projects of my own, recording videos to help inspire others to do the same. Along the way, you guys became interested in the things I was creating, and slowly but surely, we've grown this audience to 9 million people. That's absolutely incredible. That's over 25% the population of Canada. As we've grown this channel together, I've continued to reinvest everything we make back into the channel and the business, to be able to continually make bigger and better projects and videos to inspire you guys into science, technology, engineering, and math. Our team now has 12 people dedicated to continuing to push the envelope further and sharing our passion for innovation with the world. And it's all thanks to you guys. So, to show our appreciation, we're going to be doing our biggest giveaway ever, with over 50 prizes available, including Hacksmith merch, batarangs, and even a set of original pneumatic cylinders from my very first exoskeleton, which we're going to revisit in this video. And since this video is such a special video for the channel, I knew it was important that we find the perfect sponsor for the video. So, without further ado, this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Wait, really? Just kidding. Well, not about the video sponsor. This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends, and I know, they sponsor everyone. In fact, it's become a bit of a meme on YouTube, but honestly, that's a good thing. Sponsorships are what allow YouTubers to make amazing content for you to enjoy. In fact, Raid sponsored us over 1.5 years ago, you know, before it was cool to be sponsored by Raid, and they actually helped fund the initial creation of our Aliens Power Loader project, which is why we were happy to work with them again. And honestly, out of all the mobile games we've made ads for, I've played Raid Shadow Legends the most. It's an epic RPG where you collect, train, and outfit your team of heroes to go on the adventure of a lifetime. And for the first time ever, it's now available for free on both mobile and PC. There's tons of detail in the champions, and it's honestly rather addictive to level up your heroes in the tavern and upgrade their armor and weapons. Plus, if you face off with a clan boss, there are weekly awards waiting for you. And if PvP is your thing, check out the brand new Tag Arena with special awards for those who dominate in this fast-paced, best 2 out of 3 competitive PvP arena. What I like most about Raid Shadow Legends is building up the ultimate team of heroes, equipped with all the right armor and weapons. Not unlike what we do here on the Hacksmith channel. Try Raid today, and you'll get an extra entry into our biggest giveaway ever. Simply go to the video description, click on the special links below, and if you're a new player, you'll get 100,000 silver, 1 energy refill, 10 mystery shards, and a free champion, Slasher. All this treasure will be waiting for you right here in your inbox. Be quick though, because the rewards will only be available for the next 30 days. Good luck, and I'll see you in-game. Now, because the channel has come so far from its original days in a little basement apartment in Toronto, I thought it would be interesting to reflect a bit about how far we've come and revisit one of the projects that really started it all, my Elysium Exoskeleton. I grabbed some popcorn and I watched my entire 16-part series, and wow, I was not very good at making videos. Some of the videos didn't even have background music. Anyway, I wouldn't want to make you sit through all 16 parts, so I've edited them all down into a short 2-minute montage. Enjoy.
Get some perforated square tubing for the exoskeleton. 6 feet of it.
Okay, so I admit this is a really ghetto testing setup, but I really want to see this thing go. Alrighty. But if I put another guy on front, I think we'll have something. Think I'll pick up the battery now? Safety first. Ah, yeah. So I think we're making some really good progress with this.
It's just a quick little concept to show it.
But then what I'm hoping to do is add some cylinders off the back and the chest.
For now, I'm just going to steal this webbing and the backpack straps. So the one mounted off the shoulder with a bolt will allow the entire arm to rotate up and down like this, whereas the other one will let it rotate around. I'd like to introduce you to my mannequin named Tony. He is actually quite similar to my size, which is perfect because this means that I can actually put the exoskeleton on him so I can do the measurements, because otherwise it's going to be pretty hard to make the exoskeleton fit when I'm the one who's supposed to be wearing it. That's better. But I got the shoulder mounted. It's actually surprisingly flexible. But we're almost getting ready to throw them together. So there's the shoulder joint, and then this is going to attach on to the frame. I just have to make some straps that actually hold to my arm, so I'll have like a spacer with some padding, especially on the bicep, and I'll keep everything in place. But I'm pretty excited. I think this is going to work out quite well. So you might have noticed I'm kind of mixing universes here, Iron Man, Elysium. Well, an Iron Man suits the end goal someday, so you know, might as well start early. Alright, so that's about 170 pounds or just under 80 kilograms. Definitely something I can't curl myself, but might as well try. $170 pounds. Like that. It worked.
Whoa! Absolutely phenomenal stuff!
So where is it now? Well, besides showing it to fans at various conventions and events, it's mostly sat on a shelf. In the original test, I used cinder blocks that weighed approximately 171.5 pounds or about 77 kilograms. But a lot of people seem to think it was fake weights. So let's prove it once and for all and use real Olympic weights. Since this is just an upper body exoskeleton, my very human legs still have to hold the weight. So I'm wearing a weightlifting belt and I got some gloves on to hopefully protect myself. Okay. Like nothing at all. I think we can do more. I think the world record's 249.5 pounds, held by Denis Saplinski. 255 pounds, more than the world record. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, that is heavy. All right. Again. World record. That was pretty good, but let's smash the world record. Let's do 275 pounds. Just gonna do one rep this time. That's freaking sweet. Now, the best part about this Elysium Exoskeleton is how much it's inspired makers around the world to pick up some tools and work on projects in their garage. I'm here with one of my fans who's been with the channel since the original Elysium lift. This is Bogdan. And as a special sign of appreciation for coming out and seeing us, give me a set of batarangs.
Thank you.
No problem. Keep on watching.
I appreciate it. Good luck with the Exo.
Thank you.
110 pounds.
Hi James, I hope you and your team are doing well. I just wanted to extend a warm thank you, not just the incredible feats of innovation, but this platform through which you continue to inspire millions of engineers, innovators and designers such as myself. 5 years ago, I remember watching you creating your Elysium Exoskeleton in your garage. Well, I don't have an engineering degree, I don't know how to weld, and I sure as hell don't know how pneumatics work. But if that guy can do it, why the hell can't I?
Hey Axos, my name is Troy and I'm 11 years. He's 11? This kid's 11. Hope you like the art. It's pretty awesome. Thank you, Leah.
And it's that inspiration and awe that you instilled into me that continues to drive my passion for going above and beyond in any design project that I undertake. And for that, I will always be grateful.
And with that, it's time to announce I'm retiring from YouTube. Who needs to hit 10 million subscribers anyways? Just kidding. Don't you worry. Like we've said many times over the years, we are just getting started. We haven't even scratched the surface of what we're going to be able to do in this new facility. Once we get everything running smoothly, we're going to be starting to produce more videos per week, expand our Hacksmith internship program, and work on even bigger projects. Plus, once the world settles down, we'll have more events that you can come to right here at Hacksmith Industries. And one of my next big pie-in-the-sky goals is to create an even more educational channel to teach engineering and eventually even run summer camps. So once again, I'd like to thank you all for coming along on this crazy, crazy ride. Let's do our biggest giveaway ever. Did I say 50 prizes earlier? Let's do 100. We're going to be giving away 2 pairs of pneumatic cylinders from my original exoskeleton, 8 pairs of Hacksmith sunglasses, 10 metal batarangs, 25 Hacksmith shirts, 25 Hacksmith hats, and 30 signed Hacksmith prints and comic covers to 100 lucky subscribers. To enter, all you have to do is fill out the giveaway form linked in the description below. Plus, if you download Raid, you'll get 1 more entry to increase your odds. Good luck, and make sure you're following us on Instagram @TheHacksmith to see if you win. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you at 10 million subscribers.